Hello everyone, in this video I will to show you about how to make a cool looking hexagonal wall decor is using all ice cream stick. You will need ice cream stick, glue, fine brush and wood polish. To make it is very simple and easy. Only have to do is stick the ice cream put together. To do making hexagonal, I think it is looking cool and interesting when put in the wall. I have drawn hexagonal frame. Let's do it. How to make the hexagonal? The first is put the stick ice cream inside the line like this one. And then put the glue. And then press the stick. Like this one. Puts the stick ice cream is raw until the end. Okay, all is done. So hexagonal ice cream stick is ready. Look pretty good and so good is as a wall decor. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy watching this video and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe this video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.